I think type 1 very clear, right? Reminder theorem, very very important module, right? Please write down the heading. Type 2. Problems based on identity. Problems based on identity. Problems based on identity. Now see here. This is one type where you need to know so many formulas. Without knowing any formulas, it is very difficult to solve this type. A plus b whole square you need to know, a minus b whole square you need to know, a square minus b square, or a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube, a minus b whole cube. Like that, so many varieties of formula you need to know, right? Because the heading itself says problem based on identity. If you don't know the identity, it's very very difficult to find out, right? Please write down the heading. Problems based on identities. Right? Now see here. Before we start with the problem, let me tell you some easiest way to remember some formulas. See here. Suppose a power n minus b power n, it is given by a minus b into a minus b into. If you see here, I should get a power n, but I got a power 1 here. So it should be n minus 1. A power n minus 1. A into a power n minus 1 is a power n only. Right? A power n minus 1 into b power 0 plus a power n minus 2 into b power 1 plus a power n minus 3 into b power 2, and it continues. The last number is a power 0 b power n minus 1. The last term is a power 0 b power n minus 1. Now if you observe it, how to get it? A power n minus b power n is a minus b into a power n minus 1 b power 0. Right? Now keep on decreasing the power of a. N minus 1 decreased by 1. It becomes n minus 2. Keep on increasing the power of b. 0 increased by 1. It becomes 1. Again decrease the power of a, increase the power of b. Decrease the power of a, increase the power of b. Finally, if you keep on decreasing the power of a, at some point it will become 0. If you keep on increasing the power of b, at some point it will be b power n minus 1. b into b power n minus 1 is nothing but b power n itself, right? So many things can be derived so easily from this. Suppose if you want to find a square minus b square, a square minus b square is a minus b into n value is 2 now, right? N value is 2. Substitute here. A power 2 minus 1, it is a power 1. B power 0 is b power 0 is 1 plus a power 2 minus 2. A power 2 minus 2 is a power 0, that is 1. 1 into b power 1 is b power 1. Next. A power 2 minus 3. A power 2 minus 3 is a power minus 1. Whenever you get a negative power, from that part onwards, ignore it. Ignore from that part onwards. That means a square minus b square is nothing but a minus b into a plus b. Suppose if you want to find a cube minus b cube, it is a minus b into, substitute n value as 3, a power 3 minus 1, it is a square, plus a power 3 minus 2, it is a into b, plus a power 3 minus 3 is a power 0 1, 1 into b square is b square. After that it becomes a negative power, or in other words you need not actually substitute there. If it is a power 3, here it is already a power 1, another a power 2 should come. Keep on decreasing the power of a, keep on increasing the power of b until you get a negative value, right? Suppose just tell me the answer for a power 4 minus b power 4. A power 4 minus b power 4 is a minus b into, here it is a power 1, but it should become a power 4. A power 3 should be multiplied. A power 3 into b power 0. Keep on decreasing it. It becomes a square into b power 1. A power 1 into b power 2. A power 0 into b power 3. Next it becomes a power minus 1. Stop at that point. Keep on continuing how much ever you want. Clear, right? If you know this, it will be very very easy to derive all these things. First write down these things. A power n minus b power n notation. This is given by a minus b into whatever is written on the book. Please write. It's a very very easy way of remembering it. Clear with the approach? Now let us start with problems. Please write down the problems. Please see your first question in the sheet. Slowly we will increase the level of difficulty. See here, first few questions are very basic questions. Now see here, question number 1. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, you need to find x square plus 1 by x square value. You need to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Now see here I have x plus 1 by x. I want a term called as x square. X should become x square, squaring both sides. If I square both sides, I will get x plus 1 by x whole square is nothing but 2 square is 4. Expand it by using a plus b whole square. It is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b is equal to 4. So this, if I simplify, this is what I require. X square plus 1 by x square is what I require. This is 2 into 1. If I shift it to the right hand side, it becomes 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So x square plus 1 by x square value is nothing but 2. Right? So keep on listening to the first 2-3 questions. Then you will understand the basic idea behind this. Clear with the first question? See here. Second question. Question number 2. X minus 1 by x is equal to 4. X minus 1 by x is equal to 4. X square plus 1 by x square value I need to find. I need to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. X minus 1 by x is 4. X square plus 1 by x square value I need to find. Same logic. I have x term, but it should become x square term. Squaring both sides. If I square it both sides, squaring both sides will give me x minus 1 by x whole square is nothing but 4 square is 16. This becomes a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2ab. This is given as 16. X will cancel. X square plus 1 by x square is nothing but minus 2. If I shift it to the right hand side, it becomes plus 2. 16 plus 2 is nothing but 18. Answer for this question is 18. Clear, right? Any doubt in the first 2 questions? Right. Now see here. Instead of doing all these things, listen to this carefully. Listen to this. One observation is whenever your question is x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, there are so many times in the examination where the right hand side has come as 2, right? Where the right hand side is given as 2. Whenever the right hand side is 2, x plus 1 by x is 2 means the best way to solve is x value is 1, because 1 is the value which will satisfy the equation, because 1 plus 1 by 1 is equal to 2, right? That means keep an eye on the right hand side. Keep an eye on the right hand side. If the right hand side is 2, you need not do all these things. Directly substitute x value as 1. X is 1. Substitute in the question also. 1 square plus 1 by 1 square is also nothing but 2 itself. That means suppose if your question is if x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, suppose your question is find x power 99 plus 1 by x power 99. That answer also is nothing but 2 itself, because 1 power 99 plus 1 by 1 power 99, that is also 2 itself, right? That means if the right hand side is 2, put substitute x value as 1. Substitute x value as 1, right? That is one method of solving. Now see here. Listen to this carefully. Suppose if you observe the first question says x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. They are asking x square plus 1 by x square value, right? X square plus 1 by x square value. Now listen to this carefully. Whenever the question is given as x plus 1 by x and they are asking the value of x square plus 1 by x square, best way, easiest way to solve is square this right hand side. What is the right hand side square? 2 square is 4. Write down 4. Write down 4. If the question consists of plus here, if the question consists of plus, you subtract 2. You subtract 2. That means if it is plus in the given data, you should do the reverse of plus. That is nothing but minus. Subtract 2. What is 4 minus 2? 2. That is what you got in here also. Suppose your question is x plus 1 by x is equal to 7. X plus 1 by x is equal to 7. What should be x square plus 1 by x square value? Tell me the answer. X plus 1 by x is 7. Right hand side is 7. Square it. You will get 49. You will get 49. Here the given data is plus. So subtract 2. Answer should be 47. Right? Answer should be 47. Same logic. If it is ulta, if x minus 1 by x is given, suppose your second question, x minus 1 by x is given as 4, x square plus 1 by x square value I need to find, x square plus 1 by x square value. Now see here, x minus 1 by x is 4, I need to find x square plus 1 by x square value. Same logic, square the right hand side, 4 square is nothing but 16, right? 4 square is 16. Whenever the question is given as minus, add 2. If the question consists of plus, you should subtract. If the question consists of minus, you should add 2. 16 plus 2 is nothing but 18. That is what I got here also. Tell me the answer for this without using pen. Suppose if it is x minus 1 by x is 8. I need to find x square plus 1 by x square value. Square is 8. 8 square is 64. Because it is minus in the question, add 2. 64 plus 2 is 66. Clear with the approach? It's a very easy approach. You need not square it, both sides, all those things are eliminated. Directly you can tell the answer by if you know this logic. Clear? But if the right answer is 2, remember that x value should be 1. You need not do all those things also. Clear? First write down this one. Slowly we will increase the level of difficulty. We are in still power 2 only. Clear with the approach? Please see your third question. Question number 3. Question number 3. Now, your third question is nothing but the reverse of second question. It is the reverse of second question. Your third question says x square plus 1 by x square. This is given as 6. You need to find the value of x minus 1 by x. You need to find the value of x minus 1 by x. Now, please listen to this carefully. X square plus 1 by x square is given as 6. X minus 1 by x. If I use the generic method, method 1, they are asking you to find the value of x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x. If I square it, I will get a square plus b square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. X into 1 by x will cancel, right? Now, this value is given in the question as 6. 6 minus 2, it is nothing but 4. But 4 is nothing but the value of x minus 1 by x whole square. But I don't require whole square. I require only x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x is square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Right? This is method 1. See here. Method 2. Method 2. We just now saw in the previous case like suppose if x minus 1 by x is 4. Suppose if x minus 1 by x is 4. X square plus 1 by x square we need to find. How will we find it? Square the value first. First if I square the right hand side I will get 16. If it is minus here, add 2. If it is minus here, add 2. You will get the answer. Now it is the reverse. The question is reverse. The question says x square plus 1 by x square is 18. It's a different number actually, but I'll come back to this question and just explain this question, right? X square plus 1 by x square, we got it as 18. I need to find x minus 1 by x value. Now see here, because it is the reverse, you also go in the reverse direction. That means whatever the value is there on the right hand side, if it is minus here, that means earlier if it is minus in this case, we were adding, right? We were adding. Now you need to subtract 2. You will get 16. Earlier we were squaring. What is the process here? First we will square. We will square first. Then we will add 2. Here it is reverse. Second step will become the first step. Instead of adding 2, subtract 2. Second step will become, instead of squaring, reverse of squaring is square root. It is the square root, right? That means you take the square root of 16. Square root of 16 is 4. That is what is here also, right? Now let us answer the given question actually. The given question is x square plus 1 by x square is 6. X square plus 1 by x square is 6. They are asking you to find the value of x minus 1 by x. What did I tell you? Take the right hand side. Because it is minus here, you do the reverse of it. not the reverse. Actually basically it is the minus 2 only we need to do, right? That means you will get 6 minus 2 4. Whatever we did there, it is the reverse of it, right? That means here we were adding 2, but now you should subtract 2. Here you are squaring initially, here at the last step you need to take the square root. Square root of 4 is nothing but 2. That means x minus 1 by x is nothing but 2. That is what we got here also. Clear with the approach? That means that you remember this, whatever I have written here on the right hand side of the board, if you remember that, do the reverse process. That means instead of coming from top to bottom, go from bottom to top and do everything as a reverse process. If it is added here, you subtract. If it is squared here, you take the square root. Whatever it does, do the reverse process. You will get the answers for this. Clear with the approach? Otherwise, anyway, method 1 is already there. Whichever method you are comfortable, you please pick it up, sir. My only intention is, please do not get confused. If you are confused, you will make mistakes, right? Follow any one of the techniques. Whichever you feel comfortable, you follow. Clear? I am giving you multiple directions. Please write down this third question. Question number 3. Clear? Question number 3. Now, please see here. Let us go to a higher level question. Let us increase the level of difficulty. Till now we were only till the powers of 2. We only solved the powers of 2. No, suppose. Please see your question number 4. Question number 4. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. You need to find x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5 value. X power 5 plus 1 by x power 5 value is how much? Now see here. I will solve in 2 methods. Method 1. Method 1. Now I have x plus 1 by x as 3. I have x plus 1 by x as 3. I need to get a power of 5, right? How can I get x power 5? X power 5 is nothing but x power 2 into x power 3, right? X power 2 into x power 3. That means this x term should also be squared and cubed. It should be squared and it should also be cubed, right? Let us square it first. X plus 1 by x is equal to 3 means what should be x square plus 1 by x square value? We already solved so many questions, right? Square it. 3 square is 9. If it is plus here, you subtract 2. It is 7. That means x square plus 1 by x square value we got it as 7. Right? X square plus 1 by x square value we got it as 7. Similarly, I also need to cube it. That means if I take it as x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, which is the given data, cubing both sides. If I cube it both sides, a plus b whole cube, x plus 1 by x whole cube is 3 cube is 27. This is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b into a plus b. This is nothing but 3 cube is nothing but 27, right? 3 cube is 27. This will cancel out. X cube plus 1 by x cube is nothing but x cube plus 1 by x cube is nothing but plus 3 into x plus 1 by x value is known as 3. This is 27. So x cube plus 1 by x cube is nothing but 27 minus 9. If I shift this 9 to the right hand side, it becomes 27 minus 9, which is 18. Right? Now we have x square plus 1 by x square value. We have x cube plus 1 by x cube value. Multiply both of them. You will get a term called as x power 5. That means x square plus 1 by x square into x cube plus 1 by x cube. This is nothing but 7 into 18. 7 into 18. Now right hand left hand side, x cube into x square is x power 5. X square into 1 by x cube, it is 1 by x plus x cube into 1 by x square, it is x. X square into x 1 by x square into 1 by x cube, it is 1 by x power 5. This is nothing but 7 into 18. 7 into 18. Now see here, if I simplify this, x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5 is what I require. I will keep them together. Plus x plus 1 by x. What is x plus 1 by x value? It is given in the question as 3. This is nothing but 3 is equal to 18 into 7 is 126. So x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5 is 126 minus 3. It is 126. Answer for this question is 126. Clear with the approach? But the only thing is it's a very lengthy process. Right? It's a very lengthy process. We will try to eliminate this usage. We will try to see a different approach. First write down method 1. Any doubt in method 1? I want to find x power 5. It is nothing but x square into x cube. Right? Please write down method 1. Clear? Method 1? See here. Method 2. Method 2. Before we solve method 2, you need to remember few things. I will also tell you how to remember to a certain extent. Just listen to my next 2 minutes. Let us see how easily we can make this method possible. Now see here. Method 2. Now see here. Suppose you need to remember this. Suppose if x plus 1 by x is equal to a is some constant. In this example it is 3, right? If x plus 1 by x is equal to a, then x square plus 1 by x square is given by x square plus 1 by x square is given by. Listen to this carefully. Here it is x square starts from a square. Starts from a square. First term is plus. Second term should become minus. That means it is alternatively plus and minus. It is alternatively plus and minus. Next term is here it is a square. Next, reduce the power by 2. If I reduce the power by 2, how much I will get? A power 0. So can I still reduce the power by 2 so that the power is positive? No. If I still reduce the power by 2, it becomes a power minus 2. Stop at this point. Actually, there is a constant missing here. We will look into those constants after some time. Right? Keep on listening. Suppose if x plus 1 by x is equal to a, then x cube plus 1 by x cube. X cube plus 1 by x cube. If it is x cube starts from a cube, then plus minus start reduce the power by 2. It becomes a power 1. If I again reduce the power by 2, it becomes a power minus 1, which is a negative value. I will ignore that. Similarly, again a constant is missing. We will see that constant later. Suppose if x plus 1 by x is equal to a, then x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is, if it is x power 4 starts from a power 4, reduce the power by 2. Reduce the power by 2. Alternatively plus minus plus. Right? Alternatively plus minus plus. Again the constant we will see later. Similarly, if x plus 1 by x is equal to a, then x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5 is, if it is x power 5 starts from a power 5, next it is reduce the power by 2, next it is reduce the power by 2. If I again reduce the power by 2, it becomes a negative power. Ignore that. Alternatively plus minus plus. Right? Alternatively plus minus 5. Next, if x plus 1 by x is equal to a, then x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. If it is x power 6 starts from a power 6, next it is a power 4, next it is a power 2, next it is a power 0. Alternatively plus minus plus minus. Right? Plus minus plus minus. Similarly, it keeps on continuing. But most of the examination questions which are appeared till now, it will stop at x power 6. It will stop at x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. That means you need not remember from now onwards. Even if you want to remember also, I told you the process. Start from that particular power, keep on reducing the power by 2. Right? Now, if you observe carefully, please see here, first write down these things. I will explain you. There are some constants missing in these cases. What are those constants? First write down these things. I will explain you the constant. I will explain you the constant. Clear, right? Now see here. Those constants. Listen to this. There is no particular pattern to remember the constants, but you need to remember the constants are 1, 2, 1, 3, 142, 155, 1692. This is only till x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. Right? Now what is this 1, 2? 1, 2 means first term coefficient is 1, second term coefficient is 2. That means this is a square minus 2. This is a square minus 2. 1, 3 means first term is 1, second term is 3. This is a cube minus 3. Right? This is a cube minus 3a. This is a cube minus 3a. Third one is 142. This is 142. That means this is nothing but minus 4a square plus 2. A power 4 minus 4a square plus 2. Next is 155. 155. That means this is nothing but a power 5 minus 5a cube plus 5a plus 5a. Last one is 1692. This is 1692. That means this will be a power 6 minus 6a power 4 plus 9a square minus 2. Right? That means if you can remember these 5 values, 12, 13, 142, 155, 1692. If you can remember these 5 values, rest one is very easy. X square means start from a square. Keep on reducing the power by 2, alternatively plus and minus. Only thing that you need to remember is this constant. If you can remember those constants, a difficult or a time consuming process will become an easy process. Right? I am telling you method 2. Method 1 is based on x square and x cube multiplied. That already we saw. If you think that that is a good method, please follow that. But according to me, it is a time consuming process. You need not by heart these things also, sir. You need not by heart anything. You only need to remember the logic what I told you. After that logic, if you remember this constant, easily fit in those constants in the places where it is required, you will get that formula. Clear with the approach? Now see here. I want to find x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5 value. That means in this example a value is 3. In this example a value is 3. Substitute here. It becomes 3 power 5 minus 5 into 3 power 3. 5 into 3 power 3 plus 5 into a plus 5 into 3. This is nothing but 3 power 5 is 243. This 243 minus this is 27 into 5. 27 into 5 is 135. 135 plus 15. So this is nothing but 243 minus 135 plus 15 is minus 120. 243 minus 120 is 123. That is what we got in method 1 also. That means if you can remember these things, you need not by heart. Again I am telling you, if you can by heart these things is not my statement. If you can remember the way to derive these things, it becomes a one-liner answer. Otherwise it is a tedious process what we saw in method 1. Clear with the approach? Let it be x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. If it is x power 4, start from a power 4. Reduce the power by 2, reduce the power by 2 until you get a negative power. Plug in these values. 1, 4, 2, keep it in the middle with an alternate current. Clear with the approach? Now hold on. Same thing. Whatever is written here, suppose if your question is if x minus 1 by x is equal to a, assume that these all are x minus 1 by x is equal to a. If all these things are x minus 1 by x is equal to a, this all whatever is written, it will be the same thing. But only thing is you will not have alternative plus and minus. Everything will be plus. That means if x minus 1 by x is equal to a, x square plus 1 by x square will be a square plus 2. That means no alternative plus and minus in this case. All are plus signs only. That means here it will be a power 5 plus 5a cube plus 5a. A power 6 plus 6a power 4 plus 9a square plus 2. That means if it is minus in this case, then here everything will be plus. If it is plus here, then it will be alternative plus or minus. Plus and minus. Clear with the approach? That means instead of solving the way we solved in method 1, if you can remember the logic, this will be the easiest. It will be a one-line answer. Only thing you need to subtract or add whatever the terms which are there. Clear? Please write down method. I think the approach is clear, right? How to remember? It's a very easy thing. Only thing you need to remember is exactly these values. If you can remember this and plug in the whatever the notations you get, it will be a very easy thing to remember. Please write. Getting the idea? Please see your question number 5. Your question number 5 is if x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, they are asking then the value of x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 is how much? They are asking the value of x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. Now see here, easiest way to solve it, that is the reason I told you so many times, keep an eye on your right hand side. Your right hand side is 2. That means the value which will satisfy for x is 1. Right? It will be 1. Answer should be 1 power 6 plus 1 by 1 power 6. Answer should be 2. Right? But suppose assume that you did not identify the right hand side. At least do it in this method whatever we have discussed. Please do not apply method 2. Method 2 is nothing but cubing one time. The second time also multiplying with the same cubes. If you get multiplied 2 times, you will get the answer. Right? Or cube it and then square it, or square it and then cube it. It is a lengthy process. Now see here, a value is 2 in this case. Substitute. This is a power 6, 2 power 6 minus 6 into 2 power 4 plus 9 into 2 square minus 2 minus 2. If I simplify, 2 power 6 is 64, 2 power 4 is 16, 16 into 6 is 96, 4 into 9 is 36 minus 2. So this will become 96 minus 96 plus 36 is minus 30. Sorry, minus 60. Minus 60 minus 2 is minus 62. 64 minus 62 is nothing but 2. That is what we got in other case also. That means if I substitute x is equal to 1, you will get 2 also. Directly you will get 2. Clear with the approach? Either keep an eye on the right hand side or at least use this method. Please don't use method 1 which is a lengthy process. I am not telling it is not a good method. There is nothing called a good method or bad method in algebra. It is more of identities. You need to keep on using some of the other identities so that you will get arrive at the answer. Clear? Please write down question number 5. Clear with the approach? Question number 6. Please here, question number 6. If x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is 18, then x square minus 1 by x square is how much? X square minus 1 by x square is how much? One way to solve it, square this value, you will get these terms. Substitute, simplify. That is one way of solving. Now see here, x power 4 I can write it as x square whole square plus 1 by x square whole square. This is 18. I will call this x square as a. If I call this x square as a, then my question becomes a minus 1 by a is how much? And this question becomes a square plus 1 by a square is 18. Right? The question is a square plus 1 by a square is 18. A minus 1 by a is how much? We already solved this kind of question. That means take the right hand side, subtract 2, you will get 16. Take the square root of 16. This is nothing but 4. That means a value is nothing but 4. But what is a? A is nothing but x square. X square is 4. X is nothing but 2. Right? X is nothing but 2. Or in other words, they are telling okay, a value is what you want. Substitute here. You need not do all these things also. A value is nothing but 4. It is 4 minus 1 by 4. 4 minus 1 by 4 is it is 15 by 4. Answer should be 15 by 4. Clear? Clear. Please understand each and every step, then write it. Clear, right? Question number 5. Please see here. Question number 6. Your sixth question is x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is 18. X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is 18. You need to find x square minus 1 by x square value, right? X square minus 1 by x square. Now see here, very easy to do it. I can write this as x square whole square plus 1 by x square whole square. This is 18, right? Now if I call this x square as some other variable called as a, then this becomes a square plus 1 by a square is 18, and the question becomes x square is a minus 1 by a is how much, right? A minus 1 by a is how much? We already solved this kind of question. If a square plus 1 by a square is 18, I need to find a minus 1 by a. That means take the right hand side, subtract 2 from this. I am doing the reverse process. I already explained that kind of problems. Subtract 2 from it, you will get 16. Take the square root of 16. Answer for this question is 4. That means a minus 1 by a is 4. I also told you how to solve this kind of problem by using method 1. Either apply that method or apply this method. Clear with the approach? Hold on, sir. Suppose same logic if I want to apply for the next question. Now please see the seventh question. Your seventh question is x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. It is 23. You need to find x minus 1 by x whole square value. You need to find the value of x minus 1 by x whole square. Same thing if I want to do it. X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. I will call x square as a. Then this becomes a square plus 1 by a square. This is 23, right? A square plus 1 by a square is 23. If I expand this becomes x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. X square plus 1 by x square minus 2. So the question is asked for x minus 1 by x whole square. So this is what we need to find. Now if you find out this becomes a power 4 plus 1 is equal to 23a square is equal to 23a square. Again simplify it. Again if I simplify this becomes a power 4 minus 23a square plus 1 equal to 0. So again call a square as some other variable called as t. So this becomes t square minus 23t plus 1 equal to 0. Find out the value of t. If I find out the value of t will be a square. From there you can find out the value of a by substituting a value as x square is equal to a. You will get x value. Substitute in these two places, you will get the answer. That is your method 1. Clear with method 1? I am not interested in solving all these quadratic equations. What I am telling is simplify this. You will get t value. Substitute the t value in this case. You will get a square is equal to some value. From there you will get a value. Substitute a value here. You will get x value. Substitute x value here. Or you need not substitute x value here. What is this? This is nothing but x square is a. So you are asked to find a plus 1 by a minus 2 value. A value directly substitute in the given question. You will get the answer. Right? This is your method 1. Please write down question number 6 and 7. They both are using the same logic. X square is a. Right? This is my method 1. I will also solve by some other method. First write down method 1. I am not interested to solve all these things because I am sure that everyone knows how to solve a quadratic equation. Let us not waste our time by solving all these things. Right? Anyway, this is not the method which I am interested with. We will implement a different kind of approach. Please write down that. Clear with the approach? Right? Now see method 2. Method 2 for the seventh question. Method 2. More or less the same logic, but slightly we will eliminate this usage of all this quadratic equation. Now see here, they are telling x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is 23, and they are asking the value of x minus 1 by x whole square value, right? Same like that, if I call it as x square as a, then this becomes a square plus 1 by a square is 23, right? A square plus 1 by a square is 23. This again, if I expand, I will get x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. This value we need to find, right? This value we need to find. But x square is nothing but a, right? So we need to find a plus 1 by a minus 2 value. A plus 1 by a minus 2 value. We already know how to find it. When we know a square plus 1 by a square as 23, how do you find a plus 1 by a? A plus 1 by a is nothing but take the right hand side. Take the right hand side 23. Add 2 for it. If I add 2, it becomes 25. Then take the square root of it. Right? That is not actually 1 plus a plus 1 by a. Take the add 25, add 2 and take the square root of it. What is square root of 25? 5. That means this a plus 1 by a will become 5. How did you get all these things? I have explained already in the second and third question. Right? So a plus 1 by a is 5. That means your question now reduces to what is the value of 5 minus 2? 5 minus 2 is 3. Clear with the approach? Instead of cross multiplying again and making it little bit complicated to get another quadratic equation, what I am doing is a square plus 1 by a square is 23. I will find a plus 1 by a value. How to find it? We have already solved it second and third question. Implement the same approach. Take the right hand side, add 2 for it and then take the square root of it. Because earlier we were doing first we will square. Then if it is plus in this case, we will subtracting 2. Do the reverse process. Add 2 and take the square root. That will be a plus 1 by a. Substitute here. A plus 1 by a is 5. 5 minus 5 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Here also we will get 3 itself, but it is slightly lengthy process. Clear? Clear. Question number 8. Now please see here. Question number 8. Clear with question number 7, right? Now please see here. 8th question. Your 8th question is a square plus 1 by a square is 98. A square plus 1 by a square is 98. They are asking you to find a cube plus 1 by a cube value. A cube plus 1 by a cube value. So see here, very easy approach. If a square plus 1 by a square is 98, how do you find a plus 1 by a? Forget about a cube plus 1 by a cube. How do you find a plus 1 by a? Take the right hand side, add 2 for it. It becomes 100. Take the square root. Square root of 100 is 10. That means a plus 1 by a is nothing but 10. Right? A plus 1 by a is nothing but 10. Now we require a cube plus 1 by a cube. Cubing both sides. If I cube it both sides, this becomes a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is nothing but 10 cube is 1000. Now this is what I require. A cube plus 1 by a cube is what I require. I will keep it as it is. Plus 3 into a plus 1 by a value is 10. This is nothing but 1000. So your answer is 1000 minus 30. Answer should be 930. You need not actually find these values directly. From this, what all we can find? We can find this. Find out that, from there get it. Clear with the approach? Please. Easily you can solve the question, whatever the power let it be. Getting the idea? Question number 9. Your ninth question is, if x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. X square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Your question is x cube plus 1 by x cube is how much? X cube plus 1 by x cube is how much? Now see here. One way of solving this question is this is a quadratic equation. Solve the quadratic equation, get the value of x. Substitute in these two places, you will get the answer, right? Instead of doing all those things, x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. This I can write it as x square plus 1 is equal to 4x. Minus 4x I am bringing to the right hand side. Divide both sides by x. If I divide both sides by x, this becomes x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. X plus 1 by x is equal to 4. I require x cube plus 1 by x cube. Again cubing both sides. If I cube it, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a into b is x into 1 by x into a plus b. This is nothing but 4 also you should cube. 4 cube is 64. This will cancel out. This is what I require. Keep it as it is. X cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into x plus 1 by x is 4. This is equal to 64. So bring it to the right hand side. 64 minus 12 is 52. Answer for this question is 52. More or less both the problems are having the same logic. Reduce it to x plus 1 by x form or reduce it to a plus 1 by a form. From there you cube it or write to any other power which is answering the question. Clear? Or you need not do all this cubing, all those things again. We already saw the corollary or the notations. If x plus 1 by x is equal to a, what is x cube plus 1 by x cube? Directly we can use that one liner also instead of cubing and wasting our time. Whichever the method you are comfortable, please follow. Clear? Question number 9. Question number 10. It's a very good question. Listen to this carefully. Question number 10. Your 10th question is, if a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to 3, a plus 1 by a whole square, this is given as 3. Now the question is, find the value of 1 plus a power 6 plus a power 12 plus a power 18 plus a power 84 plus a power 90 plus a power 200 plus a power 206. A power 206. You need to find this value, right? First write down the question. It's a very good question. You need to find the value of that, given that a plus 1 by a whole square is nothing but equal to 3. Okay, now shall we start? Okay, see here, listen to this carefully. A plus 1 by a whole square is 3. That means a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into 1 by a, 3 square is 9. So a square plus 1 by a square is nothing but 7, right? A square plus 1 by a square is nothing but 7. This if I simplify it, this is, okay, actually it is not 9 because I am not squaring, I am just expanding. So right hand side should be 3 itself. This here right hand side will be 1, right? And if I simplify, this becomes a power 4 plus 1 is equal to a square. A power 4 minus a square plus 1 equal to 0, right? A power 4 minus a square plus 1 equal to 0. I need to find this value. Now listen to this carefully. What is the equation which I got? The equation which I got is a power 4 minus a square plus 1 equal to 0, right? Now see here, I have a power 4 term, but I need to get a power 6 term. That means multiply by a power 2 on both sides. Multiply by a power 2 on both sides. If I multiply by a power 2, this becomes a square into a power 4 minus a square plus 1 is equal to 0 into a square is a square. Now if I multiply this, a square into a power 4 is a power 6. A square into minus a square is minus a power 4. A square into 1 is a square. This will be equal to 0, right? But if you observe, I have not achieved anything from this multiplication, right? I multiplied by a square on both sides. trying to reduce the equation to the simplest form, but I am still getting 3 more terms. Here also 3 terms are there, here also 3 terms are there. It makes no difference if I multiply by a square. That means I need to get only a power 6 term, because all these are multiples of 6, but I got a power 4 as negative term. I should cancel that. I got a power 2 as positive term. I should cancel that also. That means I will not multiply by a square. In fact, I will multiply by a square plus 1 on both sides. Understanding, right? Why is not a square by a square plus 1? Because the terms are not getting cancelled. If I multiply by a square plus 1, again a square into this term is this, 1 into this is the same thing, plus a power 4 minus a square plus 1 equal to 0. Minus a power 4 plus a power 4 cancel. A square minus a square cancel. A power 6 plus 1 equal to 0. A power 6 is nothing but minus 1. Right? A power 6 is nothing but minus 1. Clear with the approach? Now see here. Now what is that we need to find? We need to find 1 plus a power 6 plus a power 12 plus a power 18 plus a power 84 plus a power 90 plus a power 200 plus a power 206. This is what we need to find. Now this is a power 12 is nothing but a power 6 whole square. This is minus 1 whole square plus 1. A power 18 is a power 6 whole cube. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. A power 84 is what is the multiple of 6 which will go till 84? 12 into 6 is 72, right? 12 6 are 72, but it is 84. That means it should be 14 into 6. That means this is a power 6 whole power 14 minus 1 power positive is nothing. Minus 1 power even number is plus 1. So a power 90, a power 90 is a power 6 power 15 minus 1 power odd number is minus 1. A power 200 I can write it as a power 6 to the power of 33. This is nothing but a power 198. Another a power 2 is pending. So a power 6 is minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Minus 1 into a square is minus a square. Similarly, a power 206 is a power 6 power 34 into a square. This is nothing but plus a square. Right? This is nothing but plus a square. Now your question is, you need to add all these things. And these two terms are already there. It is not written here. If I add all these things, a power 12, a power 18, a power minus 1 plus 1 cancels. Plus 1 minus 1 cancels. Minus a square plus a square cancels. Till here it is 0. What is a power 6? Minus 1. This is minus 1 plus 1, that is also cancelled. Every term is a given question cancelled. That means what should be the answer for this question? Answer is, it's a very beautiful question. Clear? I think you should understand why we are not multiplying by a square. Why are we multiplying by a square plus 1? Because if I multiply with a square, I am getting these 3 terms. Instead of having these 3 terms, I am getting 3 more other terms. It makes no difference. That means I should cancel out these terms. If I want to cancel out, this plus 1 also should be there. That means 1 into these terms will give me the positive values of all the other signs of those things, so that it will nullify it. Clear? Please write on this. It's a very good question. Please do not get what you say like too much fear factor saying that it's a very difficult question. It's not a difficult question. It's a very easy question. You just need to practice and it. Please write it. Clear, right? Which is the question? This is the 10th question. Now, can I move on to the 11th one? Everyone, please see. Question number 11. Question number 11. Please see here. This is also a good question. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 5, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 5, then you need to find the value of x power 4 plus 1 by x square divided by x square minus 3x plus 1. This value we need to find. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 5. X power 4 plus 1 by x square divided by x square minus 3x plus 1 value we need to find. Right? Now see here. We need to find x power 4 plus 1 by x square divided by x square minus 3x plus 1 value. This if I take x common factor in the numerator, this becomes x cube plus 1 by x cube, right? X cube plus 1 by x cube. Similarly, if I take x common factor in the denominator, this becomes x minus 3, x minus 3. Is it? Yeah, x minus 3 plus 1 by x, right? X minus 3 plus 1 by x. Now, x will get cancelled. X will get cancelled. Now, if you observe here, this is nothing but, suppose if it is a plus b whole cube, this is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, right? 3ab into a plus b. But this is a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is nothing but a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, right? Minus 3ab into a plus b. Substitute in the numerator. This is a plus b whole cube, x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3. ab is nothing but, what is a value? A value is nothing but x. So it is 3 into x into 1 by x. They will cancel into a plus b. A plus b is nothing but x plus 1 by x. The whole thing divided by this I can write it as x plus 1 by x minus 3. X plus 1 by x minus 3. Now we know the value of x plus 1 by x. It is given in the question as 5. Substitute, simplify. So this is 5 cube minus 3 into 5 divided by 5 minus 3. 125 minus 15. 110 divided by 2. Answer is 55. Clear, right? Please write it. You should identify that you need to take x common factor. Always remember, these powers should be made same. That means if I take x common factor here, this will decrease by 1. This should increase by 1 because it is there in the denominator. Decrease by 1, increase by 1, they both will become same. That is what we are making here also. Clear? Please. Clear with the 11th question? Please clear. Question number 12. These are all very, very good questions. Question number 12. If 2x minus 1 by 2x is equal to 6, if 2x minus 1 by 2x is equal to 6, then find the value of x square plus, find the value of x square plus 1 by 16x square. Find the value of x square plus 1 by 16x square. Now see here. If I want to get these terms, x square, which variable if I square I will get x square. If I square x I will get x square, right? Similarly, 1 by 16x square if I want to get, then I should square 1 by 4x, right? 1 by 4x. That means x plus 1 by 4x is what I require, right? Now see here. If I take 2 common, x plus 1 by 4x or x minus 1 by 4x, it does not make any difference. Now see here. If I take 2 common, this will become x minus 1 by 4x, because this is 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2 itself, right? It is nothing but equal to 6. X minus 1 by 4x is nothing but 6 by 2 is 3. Now if you want to get these terms, square it both sides. That's all. Squaring both sides you will get squaring both sides. This is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. This is nothing but 3 square is 9. X will get cancelled. This is what I require. X square plus 1 by 16 x square is nothing but 9 plus 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. 9 plus 1 by 2 is 9.5. Answer for this question is 9.5 or 19 by, either you keep it in decimal or fraction depending on the answer, right? 19 by 2 is the answer. Please write. Understanding, right? These terms if I want to get it, I need to have this either plus or minus, because A plus B whole square is also A square plus B square plus 2AB. A minus B whole square is also A square plus B square minus 2B. I am interested in this term. So anyway it is plus or minus. In the question it is minus. So we keep it as minus. Clear with the approach? 13th one. Last two questions in type 2. Question number 13.